For those that love me, I will continue to love you too. So no point to hate. Don't hate me because I don't hate you. I'm a good guy. You don't know me. Don't. At least I have tried for myself. Don't give somebody a name that you don't know. I'm proud. I have been existing for 3 decades, almost 3 decades, over 2 decades. Over 2 decades I've been existing. I've been trying to promote this city, this town, Edo State that I'm from. I have every means to leave Edo State and go and live in Lagos without coming back the way most people do, but I'm still here trying to gather the worst to get the best and use the best to achieve greatness. So you don't need to hate me when you don't know me. That is life for you. So it's my decision. Let me handle it. If it hurts, it's fine. If I enjoy it, it's fine. But you don't need to hate me when you are not feeding me. But I don't hate you. I love you guys. Those that hate me, I love you. Those that love me, I hate you. Thank you. God bless you. Help me to pass this message. It's about my show, not about something else. 200 free tickets will be given out tomorrow. Share it around and let people come and enjoy themselves and see the new vibe of Lady of Song and Two-Face. It's going to be staged. When I see the rehearsal today, it's not easy, eh? Everybody just come and let's support ourselves, enjoy. Those of you that cannot come, I'll be on live to show you. You this as they dance. We don't need to quarrel. Eh? We don't need to fight. We don't need to cause. No points. Eh? What will you gain about doing it? Nothing. No, just try. Love everybody. Eh? Love me the way I will love you. Don't hate me when you don't know me. So leave at least more leader. We don't say try. It's not easy, eh? It's not easy. So everybody get your own decision. Let's say you can force a horse to the river, but you know if you force me to drink water, my decision will not affect you. Your decision will not affect me. So let us just live in one love and harmony. There's no point of insulting. You don't need to insult nobody. You don't need to hate nobody. You don't need it. Let everybody just be fine. And everything we're going to move on. Let's think about how to move Edo forward. Let's think about on how to change the narratives of Benin. Entertainment has taken over in Benin. Entertainment has come to stay, and he will continue to stay. Almost everybody in Benin, the entertainers, are now going to abroad like they are going to farm. So you see, it's a very good thing. So let's try to promote more. Like you see, you saw me today. Those dancers that will be dancing on stage tomorrow, who came to dance, I just told them I am trying to organize something in London. We call it Edo Dancing Festival. It's Edo Dancing where those guests will come. I told them just go and get your money for tickets and the rest will be done. Those are the things we're supposed to be doing. Why get it here, born again? Why gain what you bought? I'm not an enemy. Eh? It's better if anybody offend you, call my brother. I don't even know why I want to feel what my back. I feel see explain tell you say my brother. Really, it's my way. It's what I felt would make me happy that I do. Instead of just coming out, you start insulting everybody, insult. There's no point now. I know most of you who sometimes insult while they're dropping it. We are the family we have to watch your body. I mean, we're not called here by call, so we don't need them. We don't need that. Eh? So I got love it, but let everybody love ourselves and enjoy ourselves. There's no point to hate. Eh? The deed what has been done has been done. Nothing. Your talk cannot change it. Your talk cannot add to it. It's already been done. It's official. Mrs. Esther Ebagua. Mrs. Evelyn Ebagua is my choice. I've not done anything wrong. I am not the first to do it, and I will not be the last to do it. It is my choice. It is the choice of my family. Try to respect it just the way I will respect your own choice. So my own brothers, everybody who have stood since yesterday trying to insult me, insult my family, I'm out here to tell you that I love you. I don't hate you. God will bless everybody. My police deportation. Nothing will ever. I don't pray for anything bad against anybody, both the one that love me, the one that hate me. All I wish is everybody to be happy, and God should bless everybody and make everybody happy. This is my message for everybody. Help me to share this live video and help me to tell my brothers out there, my sisters out there who are trying to say what they don't know about this family, that this family love them, I don't hate them. I would prefer you call me to ask me questions. Call me if you have the opportunity to call me. It will be nice than just start saying what you don't know. Like I said, Destiny Usarigo Ebagua, love everybody, and I believe you guys love me too. Wayafefe, Wawese, Usaloba Kandiba, Wayafefe. All of us are going to see on the 1st of January 2024. And everything that every one of us passed through in 2023, we will not see it in 2024. 2024 is going to be a year of progress, love, harmony, peace, and joy for everybody. Now ye cannot Yahweh, Kenavi ye can every book where as far you are from Benin, those states, God will continue to bless you all. I love you, everybody, both my hater, my insulter, my lovers. I love you all. God will continue to bless you all. Peace. God bless you all. Congratulations to me and congratulations to you all. Help me to share this message. 200 free tickets for tomorrow's show. God bless you. Bye. Thank you. I love you. I love you, everybody. Love you. Bye.
sorry for cutting off cake. You say I'm Mrs.